The Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 battery life is also underpowered when compared to Apple's iPad Air 2 and last year's Samsung Galaxy Tab S. Its battery capacity is the smallest of the three tablets at 5,870 mAh and 4,000 mAh for the 9.7-inch and 8-inch models, respectively. The iPad Air 2 has 7,340 mAh, while Samsung's own Galaxy Tab S1 packed in a 7,900 mAh battery. Samsung's 9.7-inch tablet did better than I anticipated in our routine battery life test, thanks to its power-saving big. Little CPU configuration. But it could have lasted even longer. Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. Running a 90-minute HD video loop at full brightness, it slashed the battery life by 84%, which actually beats the Nexus 9, iPad Air 2 and ties the Dell Venue 8 7000. Beating the Galaxy Tab S2 was last year's Samsung tablet, the Galaxy Tab S1, which saw a decline to 87% from a full charge during the same 90 minutes of HD video. I still felt like the newer tablet could have lasted longer in day-to-day use outside of our battery life test, and that might happen with the Android Marshmallow update. Google's Android update has a special doze mode that retains more battery life when devices are in a sleep state. This is something Apple's iPad line does well, and is almost certainly why I feel like the iPad Air 2's real-life longevity is closer to the Tab S2 battery life than lab tests show. I expected more from the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 when it came to charging, too. It takes about 4 hours to fully juice up, and there's no fast charging capability here. Wireless charging is also absent. All of a sudden, that Samsung wireless charging pad with 1.4x the charging speed is less of a value outside of your Samsung Galaxy S6 or Note 5 phone.